Hey guys, just a quick video on how to select your external microphone. So this is my personal car and I have got a external microphone set up in the top right of my windscreen just there, the one that comes with the kit. So if you go into settings, you go to car infotainment and you go to common, you'll see the option just under sleep mode is microphone. Now you can select built-in, which is just here on the right hand side, or you can select external. I highly recommend external, it sounds a lot better. You can get away with the internal one, but it's just nice having very, very clear audio over phone calls. So no worries. We're gonna do some testing just to show you guys the difference between the internal and the external, and we will just show you the difference in those now. Hey guys, this is just testing the internal microphone on our M series. So this is an 100 series Cruiser. It's not too bad, but the internal microphone does struggle a bit. But yeah, that was the same bit of road as the external mic. Hey guys, so this is just a quick test of the external microphone. I'm just gonna drive and get up to speed here and just show what it sounds like. So real world test. Yeah, cheers. I'll just switch back to the internal and give you guys a bit of a comparison on the exact same bit of road. So that should be interesting. Anyway, cheers.